Welcome to CY Rhinestone factory. Here, we produce the Hotfix tape across a massive 7,000 square meters facility.
Hello everyone, this is Becky from CY Rhinestone. Today I'm going to introduce the production of this Hotfix tape.
This is the final tape, which consists of the white back paper laminated with the pack layer. Now let's take a look at how the white back paper is produced. This is the raw material used for the white back paper.
The raw material will be milled and cooled down by this machine, then into pieces of this white back paper.
The white back paper is typically available in two standard weights, 70 grams and 95 grams per square meter. We can also customize its based on your requirements. We have a test to ensure the weight meets standards. We would cut the paper into several small pieces and weigh them to check the quality. These two larger machines are used to apply adhesives to the pack film and then laminate it with the white back paper. The adhesive we use on the pad is an exclusive secret formula that can mix various special requirements. Each finished product must pass 3 strict quality inspections. First, we measure the total thickness of the Hotfix transfer, since the white backing paper and the pack film have fixed thicknesses. This allows us to determine whether the adhesive layer meets the required standard. Next, remove the pack film and repeatedly adhere it 50 times to check that the glue remains evenly distributed and intact, ensuring its durability. Finally, we perform a pure strength test. The pack film is firmly applied to a steel plate, using a roller to ensure a bubble-free bond. It is then testing on a tensile machine. The product passes only if the pure strength meets the specified requirements. This is the finished product because it is produced in very large rolls. We cut it into smaller sizes for convenience. This is the cutting machine. It cuts the tape into different lengths and widths based on the customer specifications. Different color specs indicate different sizes. We can provide free samples and look forward to your visit.